Students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Today consider another types of problems, but easy. All of these are easy. When 1 by 7 of a number is subtracted from the number itself, it gives the same value as the sum of all the angles of a triangle. What is the number? The answer given 224, 210, 140, 351, E given 187. It was set in 2010 Bank PO. This. Now we consider the problem. One number we have. Let the number be x. X. According to the question, x minus 1 by 7x equal to 180. When 1 by 7 of a number, one number is given, that number 1 by 7. 1 by 7 of a number is subtracted from the number itself. Number is x, we subtract 1 by 7x. Then answer is all angles of a triangle. All angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This. So this is LCM 7. 7x minus x equal to 180. This is 6x by 7 equal to 180 and x equal to 180 into 7 by 6. This is 30. This is 210. Therefore, x equal to 210 and this is our answer. Answer is 210. Option B. This is our answer. Very nice solution, very easy. But it was said in 2010 Bank PO. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 14 and the difference between the two digits of the number is 2. What is the product of the two digits of the two-digit number? The option given 56, 48, 45 cannot be determined and E given none of the above. Now two-digit number means suppose 57. This is called unit place, this one tens place. This is unit digits and tens digits. So tens digits and unit digits. So how to find this number? 10 digits we multiplying by 10 and unit digit we multiplying by 1. Then 50 plus 7, this is 57. So 57 means first we multiplying tens place by 10 and unit place by 1. Then we get 57. Now the sum of the two-digit number, first we consider, let the tens digits be x. Let the tens digit be x and units digits be y. Therefore, the number is 10x plus y. Tens place multiplying by 10 and unit place multiplying by 1. Where we consider x greater than y. Now case 1 given, sum of the two digits of a two-digit number is 14. Case 1 given, x plus y equal to 14 and the difference between the two digits is 2. X minus y equal to 2. This is number 1, this is number 2. Sum given 14, my difference given 2. Now we have to find what is the product. We adding this 1 plus 2, then y cancel, we get twice x equal to 16 and x equal to 8. And putting the value of x, equation number 1, 8 plus y equal to 14 and y equal to 6. So the numbers are 8 and 6. The required product equal to 8 into 6, 48. This is the answer. 48. Product of the number is 48. Sum is x plus y and difference is 2 and product is 48. Easy problem. Solution is very easy and it was set in 2009 bank color. So this is the solution, very easy solution. There another interesting problem. There are certain two-digit numbers. The difference between the number and the one obtained on reversing it is always 27. How many such maximum two-digit numbers are there? And the option given 3, 4, 5 and none of this. It was set in EPSC CTET 2017. So this is very nice solution. If two-digit number given, first you have to think unit place and tens place. So this is suppose 67 given. This is called unit place. This is tens place. How to find this number? Tens place multiplying by 10 and unit place multiplying by 1. Then 60 plus 7, this is 67. 67. So we know this. And similarly, if we consider x is tens place, y is unit place, then the number will be 10x plus y. And if we reversing these numbers, this one here, then we get 10y plus x. So we get this. So solution, first we write, actually we should not write directly start this solution. But if we write directly, then you will face a problem. So let the tens digit be x and the units digit be y. We consider tens digits be x and unit digits be y. So we consider in this way. Therefore, the number is 10x plus y. 10 into x plus y. By reversing number is 10y plus x. If we reverse this, taking this one in tens place and this one in unit place, the number will be 10y plus x. So this type of problem if given, then you have to remember this, which one tens place, which one unit place. But according to the question, there are certain two-digit number. The difference between the number and one obtained by reversing it. According to the question, this one given 10x plus y minus reversing number. This equal to 27. This is 27. So this will be 10x plus y minus 10y minus x equal to 27 and 9x minus 9y equal to 27 and x minus y equal to 3. So we get tens place minus unit place, their difference is 3. Now actually our requirement, how many such numbers is possible? So what we get, therefore we get x minus y equal to 3. Now how many such numbers we have? Tens place minus unit place, their difference is 3. So therefore the required numbers the required, therefore the required numbers are so first you consider 1 4 14. This is 2-digit number. 1 minus 4 is 3, and next 2 5 3 7 4 4. This is our difference should be 3. 1 4 2 5 3 6 4 7 47. Next 5 2 5 2 5 minus 2 is 3. Next 6 3. Next 7 4 8 5 9 6. 9 minus 6 is this. So this is 5 2 6 3 and 7 4 8 5 9 6. Then we can write 5 8 5 8. 5 minus 8 is 3. 5 8. Then 6 9 6 9. So these are the numbers. Their difference is 3. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 2 minus 5, this is 3. This one, this minus this is 3. So these are the numbers, 2-digit number. Their difference is 3. But actually tens place minus unit place is plus 3. So we collect some number, their difference is plus 3. We consider this 63, 74, 85, 96. Therefore, the required numbers already written. The numbers are, no need to write required. The numbers are this. Therefore, the required numbers are this will be 63, 74, 85, 96. Their difference is plus 3. Tens place minus unit place is plus 3. So we have this. Therefore, how many numbers we have? 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Option B. Answer B 4. This is the answer. So I hope the solution is easy. This one it was set in EPSC set 2017. But in general we know EPSC is very difficult exam, but this problem it was given in easy problem. So if you are feeling easy, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.